Hi you guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. This is my spring hair edition. I have a light blue lace frontal wig with the crimps in the back. I can't really see the back, I have to comb that and get it together. But yeah, I did this crinkled bob here, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned and watch my video. It's a Lacey you love. Welcome to my channel where all things are done with love. Today I am going to be installing a ice blue bob wig, and I am going to be doing crimps in this wig. She's so pretty, so luscious. So let's go ahead and get into this install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay guys, so I'm installing this lace wig today, and the wig does not fit my big old head. What I'm gonna do is I'm only going to attach the wig here from here to here basically, because it doesn't fit me down here. So I'm going to attach it from here to here. Of course, it's going to be crimped and it's going to go in an angle in my face. So this side, the sides of my wig will not show. So we're improvising today. Yeah, we're improvising this lace wig install. We're only going to do it from here to here. We're going to install it like a lace closure. So here guys, I am sewing this down so it doesn't lift. The wig is not, it doesn't fit my head, so I'm gonna sew down the side so it doesn't move. I don't care about the lace being a full lace. The lace doesn't fit my head. I have a very large head. I did glue it down on the cap in the front so it doesn't move. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take it and pull it up, and I'm gonna sew it down just so it doesn't move. I don't care about it not being as attached in the front. Like, you're not gonna see the side of my head at all. So, and you probably can't tell in this video that it's not even where it should be. I am going to take it and sew it to my braids that are under here. I don't need my baby moving. I need it on a firm foundation here. So yeah, I just did like 2 or 3 stitches on the sides. Put that knot in there, and it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck. So yeah, I'm gonna put crimps in it for you guys and let you see it. I'm probably gonna cut it to right here so it'll hit my shoulders and not be elongated. But that is the first portion of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching my crinkled bob spring look. So this is an ice blue lace frontal unit. I watercolored this unit, and I recently tried to strip the color, but I couldn't get it all out, and this is what it turns out to be once I got all of those deep blue tones out of it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my lace install with crimps. This is a spring look. This light blue is definitely giving spring. So thank you guys so much for watching my spring 2024 lace install with a crimp styling. I appreciate all the love and support, the likes, the shares. If you do like this video, please like the video. If you like the style, please comment and let me know what you think about it. And also subscribe to my channel. I have videos coming every week as promised. It's your girl Heyy Loves, where all things are done with love. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel.